Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys. I hope you're doing well wherever you are, wherever you're watching me from. I hope you're doing fine, just fine. We thank God for another day guys. So upon his mercies, favor and wisdom to see this day. So guys, as you can see, I'm not inside my kitchen. I'm not inside my house. I am going to town to buy something. And I just decided, let me take my guys with me. I go with you. You see our small city. Nakuru is a small city, but it's a nice and beautiful city. So guys, welcome and thank you so much for tuning in. And thank you so much for supporting your girl by subscribing, liking, sharing, joining the lives. And I'm so happy guys, and I love you so much. So guys, I was coming here. You see this shop? I was coming here. I think this is the second time I'm showing you this. I had shown you this shop, not exactly this shop, but the owner of this, and the first video I did in my videos about when I went to buy my dispenser is the same person. He just had to take another shop near the first shop because God has blessed him. So I'm here guys, and I'm here because of this. You see where I'm focusing now? We're here because of these pots. So I've been wanting the pots non-sticker. I have them, but I have been wanting to upgrade because the one that I have, they can't are looking weird. So we have to upgrade. So here's the shop guys. Here's the shop. Just when you come to Nakuru, you go to normal market that sells the onions and the tomatoes, and then beside we have this shop opposite the our Somali people who sells curtains. And can you call them Oria? Opposite Oria shop, you'll find this shop, but I'm going to show you the number of the shop. Here is the number. Blessed Kitchenware. That's the number. You can take the number, make a call if you live in Nakuru, and then he will deliver your item. The shop is full, and this is the second shop, and the other line he has the first shop. So here we are home now after taking what we're supposed to take. So let us open with you guys. Let us open together. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon guys. How is everybody? How are you doing? How are you doing guys? It's Akaliche Vlogs here. It's Akaliche Vlogs here. Please go to YouTube, search it's Akaliche Vlogs. You will see my face there plus my name there. Please like, share and subscribe. Watch my videos and I will appreciate. So in this video, just appreciating you for what you are doing guys, for clicking to my videos, clicking on my lives, clicking on my shorts, watching them, liking, leaving a comment for me, and I really appreciate. For today, for now, I'm not going to cook. We are not going to cook. I want to open something with you. I have been wanting these pots. See these pots? Yes. See the pots? Oh my god, that's so heavy. I have been wanting this for so long. I have them in color pink, but whatever happened. The inner part is not good. but I have them in color pink. So let me show you. You see, I have them in this color, but this is when they're still new on the market. And you see the way they look. You see the way they look. They look terrible. So I've been wanting to scrub it all. I just want to remove it, and it remained the sufuria. You see how they look. I think this is Destiny, something like that. I think so. They have the small one there. See. So I've been wanting to upgrade, and I said, in fact, these ones, this and this, they don't have a lid. It just busted itself. It just busted itself. This one, I was cooking meat, and it just busted inside my meat. I had to throw it away because you can't eat that. I had to throw the whole meat. And this one, it was just here waiting to be washed, and then it busted like a bomb. In fact, it was like a bomb. So now I decided to go for this, and I want to try them, but this is the last pots that I'm going to buy for non-sticker, because there's so many things that have been said about non-stickers. You getting cancer, you getting what, you getting what, you getting what. So I think this is the last ones I'm going to buy. In fact, I'm planning to buy the normal sufurias. You see the normal one, the designed normal one. This, the normal aluminium. I'm planning to buy the set of this, because we have the set of this, which is more modern. Yeah. So let us open this and see how they look like. So guys, let's open this and see how they look like. I know you'll say, oh, we know them, oh, we know them, but for me it's for the first time. After this, for the first time to have this, but I'm not going to buy another non-sticker after this. Never, unless God comes down. Eh? Yun yung brother. So let us open this and see how they look like. I'm sure you have seen them in the market. In fact, I'll show you where I bought them. I have bought them from my friend. He has a shop in town. I think it has this lid here. It has this. This is the last non-sticker I'm going for. And for now, I decided to go with the one that has this. There's a rubber here, and this one doesn't have. When this falls down, it breaks. This one, it kind of prevents prevented from breaking. So we have one there. We have the second one is here. And we have the big one is here. Another reason why I went for this, guys, is because of the pan. I love cooking using pans. I don't know who else does that. For me, I love cooking using the pans. And I also bought this. This is, I think, egg steamer or egg boiler, something like that. I love boiled egg, so I had to take this. I'll try, then I'll let you know how it does. So I went for that. So let us continue. Here is the knobs. I think they're called knobs. Am I correct? They're called knobs. I think so. Here's for the example how they're supposed to look like after putting them on. They're supposed to look like that, like this. So we have the first one here, and the problem I have with this, my people, they're so light. But I think this is the last non-stick I'm going to buy. I'll just go back to our ancestors' traditional pots. Even me, I have the normal pot. I think you have seen my videos, the original pot, that pot from clay. I have that. I think, guys, you know the normal pot. You see those pots that when it fell down it breaks. I have that. So I'm not buying any non-stick again unless this one tells me otherwise. So we have one there, we have two, we have three, we have the pan, and then we have the mama yao. We have this, and then we have this pan, then we have the pan. How are you, Daddy?
Fine.
Hey, Mama.
No kitchen utensils.
And then we have this. What is it? Opposite. They're like this, guys. It's not balanced. It's supposed to balance here, like that. And you put this like that. Then you put this like that. And you put this like that. You put this like that. Then you put this like that.
Mbona napendi hizi vitu za kutoa?
Natoka nimalize kushoot kwanza. Namalizia. Toka.
Ngoja. Na hii chupa. Mimi nachukua hizi.
This is how they're supposed to look. This is how they're supposed to look. It's supposed to look like that. I want them to fold down. So thank you so much for watching, guys. The video was short just to show you that. Thank you so much for joining, for tuning in. Continue supporting your girl. Go to YouTube, search It's Akaliche Vlogs. You will find me there. You'll find me there. Thank you so much for joining. May God bless you, guide you, and protect you. So bye bye. Let me enjoy the new pots and I'll let you know.